All right, everyone, today we're checking out the Geenie Soothe Smart Wi-Fi Humidifier. We'll start with the unboxing and see what's inside. Smart Guide Voice Control Guide, so your quick startups. Well, good news is it looks like it comes fully assembled. All right, top comes off. And your base station. So I'm assuming that's your base station. This should be the water container. And there you have it. Actually, this matches our table perfectly. Nice, clean, simple design. All right, as we saw earlier, it is technically 3 pieces: the base, the water container, and then the top just lifts up. So we'll go ahead and fill it up with purified water. And we'll go ahead and put the cover back on. And we'll go ahead and plug it in. Now that we plugged it in, we have the green blinking light, which is standby because it needs to be paired with the phone for full control. All right, so as you see, once we plugged in, we have the green blinking light, which means it's in standby mode until it syncs with the app, which we'll do here in a little bit. You can control it somewhat without the app. It's just basic controls. The first click will be a low. Might be a little hard to see in the camera, but it has started. So there's low. Tapping it again with one light in the middle is medium. A third click with both lights on means high, and then back to off. All right, now we're gonna work on setting up the device through the Geenie app. So open up the Geenie app, click on Smart Appliances. We'll go ahead and enter our Wi-Fi information to get it all set up. We're going to hit the easy mode connect. We're going to speed this up with the power of editing. And it successfully found a device. As you see, there says a Geenie humidifier, so let's go ahead and click that. It'll load all the settings. And there we have it. Here's the Geenie app control. We have the switch button on the bottom for on and off control. And you see the room humidity up top. If we turn it on, we have target humidity control. If we hit the minus button, we can go down with it. And clicking down here chooses the mist level. We have low, medium, high, and there's also an LED button which turns off the lights on the unit itself. Clicking on more, we see a humidity schedule. You can add a schedule created custom, and the LED schedule if you just want the lights to turn off while you're sleeping or something like that. And that's the Geenie app. Next, go ahead and tackle integrating the Alexa app. So let's go ahead and open Alexa. You want to go to more, go to skills and game. Wait for this to load. Click on search and we'll search for Geenie. It's the first result. We'll click that. There it is. Click on that. Click Enable to Use. We're going to go ahead and agree and connect to give the two apps access to each other. It's successfully connected, so we'll close this message. We'll have the Echo Discover devices that are newly loaded. And there you go, it's found one other connected device. We'll click on Setup Device, and that's it. Hit Done. Let's check everything though. Let's click up top where it says New Devices. Click on Geeni Humidifier. And here's the simplified controls for the Geeni app through Alexa. To make it easier, we'll just rename it to the Geeni. And that's it. Echo, set Geeni to middle. Echo, turn off Geeni. Echo, set Geeni to 90%. And there you have it, the humidifier with Alexa voice control.